Hi, I'm Nitesh Magdani. I'm the Director of Sustainability at BAM Construct UK. I think the circular economy to BAM is a way of ensuring that our clients' needs are met over the longer term, whilst also ensuring that materials and components and systems are dealt with not just in a single-use mentality, but actually thinking about reuse as a longer-term issue. BAM see this as an opportunity, a USP, and probably a way of innovating and collaborating with the industry over something that we see is an important issue, and also we see the value to our clients, who are asking for this, are asking for better assurance from their design teams, their contractors, their facilities managers, and therefore looking at the life cycle of buildings, which we're very keen on promoting. I think it's also very important to work with our supply chain to deal with the issues, the business models, implications on the industry as a whole, because actually the circular economy approach will affect everyone. And it's very important to understand those implications, the pushes and the pulls, and the incentives, because actually without an incentive, that we won't see the level of change that we need to. Well, in the Netherlands, we completed a building for the town hall in Brummen, and we won it through competition as a design and build project, where the client wasn't asking for a circular building, but they were asking for a building for 20 years, I think 15 to 20 years. And therefore the opportunity for us to actually put on the table a proposal whereby we initiate contracts with key suppliers to give the client the performance that they wanted over that period of time, probably won us the job. So an example of that would be how we worked with the lighting manufacturer or supplier to ensure that we were delivering lighting as a performance. So we worked with the lighting supplier and incentivized them to actually work with the architect and the cladding contractor to make sure that there was enough natural light coming into the building to reduce reliance on the lighting and therefore make it more efficient. Now that had benefits obviously for the client because they're actually getting the light quality that they need, but also benefits for the lighting supplier because they're ensuring that the product is used as efficiently as possible. I'd say the financial challenges for supply chain would be, firstly, to overcome the issues of their business models, but also to look at actually having an asset which they can recover at end of life. So actually recovering materials which they can reuse again. And I think that's going to help the industry to innovate, to actually think about reuse of materials, how we can redesign products to be more efficient, and therefore using less materials in the first place, but making sure that they last longer. I suppose the advice that we would give to other companies within the built environment when looking at circular economy approaches is actually to consider the benefits to clients that they work with, but also the impact and influence on supply chain, because actually it does require a change in mindset to think of actually not purchasing a product as a single-use element, but actually to think of that product as a performance material or component that can potentially be reused again.